6 of the Whilton Mill Kart Club Championships for 2019. Eyes on the lights, and away we go then for 8 minutes plus 1 lap once again. Decent start from the front row again. It looks like Morgan Hill has taken the lead as they go through Oblivion and through the Crook for the first time. Well, the second time on the first restart. First time on the second restart, I should say. Warning already for number 54, Devon Nolan, who won P2 as they all file up towards Christmas Corner. Looks like that was a clean start, a better start. Morgan Hill retains the lead ahead of James Bell. The rest of them file into Ashby, all trying to find their positions. Straight away, the top two have broken away. The number 46 of Liam Dorman there, you can see in third place. There's the number 11 of Spencer Butler. As off is the number 54. That is Devon Nolan down at Ashby Corner. Marshall running over to check that Devon is okay. Full course yellow has been put out straight away. Second time that we've seen this flag out on circuit today. So the race will be neutralised. It won't be stopped yet. Morgan Hill leading James Bell. Jack Owen-Drawbridge got himself up into third place. Thomas BEARMAN is fourth. Lewis ISLIN fifth. Good first lap there from Islin. Sixth place for Aston MACANDREW-UREN. Seventh for Liam Dorman. Eighth for Spencer Brougham. I have to say, I've been very impressed with Sakai today. He's definitely taken a step forward since the last time I saw Sakai race back in March for round 2. Very, very quick throughout the day. Well, not a little bit, lucky as the number 24 63 are involved in that. Mark Cuthbert. 99. Still in full course yellow here. Not missing anything in terms of overtaking. Now, I do think that incident between Cuthbert and Wheel was under the full course yellow, so not quite sure what happened there. Whatever. Particularly want to see cars come together with a yellow flag. Harrison Morrow has pitted. Some more problems for the number 75. Joins in on what's a bit of a disjointed final heat for the Honda Cadets so far. So the full course yellow flag, the quarter flag behind yellow. Yes, green flag waves then, so the race resumes then. On lap 4, with Morgan Hill leading ahead of James Bell. Jack Owen-Drawbridge in third. Fourth for Thomas BEARMAN. See number 12 there of Lewis ISLIN looking to make some manoeuvres, or just defending there at the moment from Aston MACANDREW-UREN. 4.5 minutes to go then, plus 1 lap. As up the inside of the 76 goes the 87, so that's Thomas BEARMAN doing good things here. Past Jack Owen-Drawbridge there for third place. Good move that by BEARMAN. I can tell you in the novice ranks as well, Kenzo Craig currently top of the novice ranks over Harrison Zamani, 19th and 20th respectively. Here comes Spencer Brougham. Starting to pull through past Lewis ISLIN there. Move to Jack Owen-Drawbridge. Aston MACANDREW-UREN doing a lot of hard work as that team, Farm and Son team, looking good here, up into 6th place now. Number 11 looking now going round the outside of Jack Owen-Drawbridge. Spencer up to 4th place now. On the inside, great move that by Lewis ISLIN on the first of the left-handers. minutes plus 1 lap to go then in this final heat for the Honda Cadets. Move there being done by Brooke again. This time, I think that was on Thomas BEARMAN. Yes, it was, the number 87. So Spencer goes up to 3rd place now. But Morgan Hill and James Bell still out in front of this one. Still a fair way to go though in this one. Time records, there's all SAKAI up there. Ryutaro, SAKAI trying to get past Lewis ISLIN. According to my records, I don't think Morgan Hill or James Bell have taken a heat victory so far, so this would be big for them if they could stay out front with 2.5 minutes plus 1 lap to go. Moves going on all the way down the field. Joshua Patch, Joe Cheek and Harrison CROWTHER have all got past the Norman on the last racing lap. Yehan and KALLYCHURN also started to come through as well, up to 13. Position. Quickly look. Harrison CROWTHER got 35. Our third and fourth place Karts there. Very, very even across the top 3 as SAKAI has another look at ISLIN. So the 5th place, MPR onto the line as well. SAKAI goes down the inside into Ashby corner. ISLIN defends it very hard as MACANDREW-UREN now makes it 3 wide momentarily. Is able to move around the outside of SAKAI. ISLIN left just more than a Karts width there for SAKAI to use. Fair racing between the 2 of them. Defense there for ISLIN to hold the outside line. Place. Good news though for Thomas BEARMAN because it's just allowing them to have a bit of breathing space between place. SAKAI goes to the inside again, trying to do one into oblivion. That's brave, very side by side, and ISLIN is able to hold off. And here comes MACANDREW-UREN underneath SAKAI. Takes 6th place, he's going for 5th place now. This is great stuff from Aston MACANDREW-UREN, and he's done it. Great driving there from Aston, and is up into 5th place as a result. The 72 and the 93 are side by side. Warning for the number 12. It's Joe Cheek and Joshua Patch side by side there in the battle over 9th place. 30 seconds plus 1 lap to go. Morgan Hill looking very nice here, 54.5 over James Bell. 493, so the lead now 1.37 seconds. We're still looking at the battle though. Place between Aston MACANDREW-UREN, Ryutaro SAKAI, Lewis ISLIN, and then the 35 of Harrison CROWTHER is still there as well. Just starting to come to the back of this train now, as there'll be 2 laps to go. Everyone's crossing the line now, starting their penultimate lap. It's just pass forward. Too defensive at this stage of the race. Encourage all cars to be part of this train. That's Joshua Patch, Joe Cheek, Yehan, KALLYCHURN, all drivers in there. Very good penalties. It's up the inside there. On the right expires, so leader will see last lap ball this time around. But it'll change. Somehow, Ryutaro SAKAI is now ahead of Aston MACANDREW-UREN. So, missed by myself in the commentary box. Apologies. SAKAI is now up to 5th place. Fair way ahead. Lightning quick lap from SAKAI that time around. Defensive driving now from ISLIN, trying to hold off CROWTHER. As up the inside goes the number 72 of Cheek. Past Patch and KALLYCHURN. So that should be Cheek up to 9th place now, but fighting back. Both the 93 and the 35. Oh, the 35's out of the grass. That's Harrison CROWTHER. Not very happy about that at all. He's going to lose positions here. Number 13 of KALLYCHURN is going to go around the outside. Morgan CROWTHER was bowled out there by his rival. But here comes Morgan Hill round the final corner. Morgan Hill takes heat 3 very nicely indeed. James Bell is 2nd, Spencer Ruffin is 3rd, Thomas BEARMAN 4th, Ryutaro SAKAI is 5th, and sets the fastest lap of the race. 6th, Aston McAndrew-UREN. 7th, Lewis ISLIN. 8th, Joe CHEEK, 9th, Joshua Patch.